Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Ask AI chat and get answers application as a math teacher. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page, and after that in the middle of the screen you can find these preset options and tap on the second one, which is math teacher. So here you can find this preset instruction. I want you to act as a math teacher. I will provide some mathematical equations or concepts and it will be your job to explain them in easy to understand terms. My first request is I need help understanding how probability works, but you can simply cut out this part and type in your own instruction that you would like to ask the AI about. It can be an equation or any kind of math concept, so feel free to type it in and then click on the send button on the right side of the screen, and in a few seconds the AI will give you a detailed answer for your question. You can see the three dots down below. So here you can see the explanation word by word. In a few seconds you will be able to see the whole text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.